So I'm just making sure this car will go straight. So it's gonna go back from there. So like from here. Comment down below, do you think if this car will survive? And if you think I will survive. Hi guys, welcome to Awesome 3s. My name is Ethan and today I'm gonna build this Lego car. And it's for ages 7 to 14 and it has 135 pieces. So after opening the box, I got one big bag, another bag with a whole bunch of technical things. I got another small bag with a whole bunch of blue, 2 of these long sticks, and I got a construction sheet. So let's start building. Alright, so now I'm all set up. Let's get building. So I'm finally done building the Lego car. This is a race car. So on the side it's number 88. And you can see fire, the 2 big wheels. And I'm pretty sure this is where the driver sits. The back, you can see the fire, you can see this thing. You can see the wheels. That's the same thing. And in the front, there's a special thing. So when you crash this thing flies off. So you just put it on here. And how you make it go is I'm just gonna move it back a little bit. You can pull back. And it goes. Has something in there. It's pretty fast and strong. I can feel that when it hits me because yep, it's also very smooth. So, and it doesn't go like when it goes, it doesn't go like that or anything. So we're gonna do some tests. So first test is the tape and a mushroom. Actually, I'm gonna do it at the end of the table. I almost lost it. Okay, from here, make sure it's smooth. This is me as Lego. This is me when I'm grown up. So I'm gonna put him in here. Okay. Oh, it fell off! Oh, it's the thing! Oh, it's indestructible. He fell out. He would have died. This thing? That's how your little actually got knocked off, and you got knocked up too because he doesn't have a seatbelt. Kids, put your seatbelt on when you're driving a car. This is actually sturdy. I thought when it fell off, I was like, oh, it's done. And then it's still here because maybe of all the pegs and stuff. The only thing that fell off is this because it's connected by that. And it's not connected by pegs. All right, guys. The plan is we're gonna hit the wall with the car and me. We're expecting the engine to fly off. So the car's gonna be like somewhere back there, and then it's gonna hit, and then poof, it's gonna fly off. Maybe I will fly off too. I don't care if it doesn't go straight or anything. Okay. Okay, this is as far as you can go back. Are you ready, guys? Divine. Oh! He didn't go out! He survived! We learned here that always put your seatbelt on or you will fly off. If you're wondering what's powering the car, come take a closer look. So, you see this? Here, these pegs are connected to the orange and the orange thing on each side. So when you pull it back, it has a twist in there. You can only go as far back until the car stops. And then you let it go, and then the string unfolds. It shoots the car forward, and then it hits the wall, making this fly up so hard, this will fly off. And also, wear a helmet while doing this because I kind of have a headache now too. Okay, so I put some more protection on. I put a suit and the helmet on. So now, we will go more epic. We're going to go a little more higher. And I'm going to make this car go down the stairs and toward you guys. So, be prepared. He definitely survives because he has the suit and he has the helmet. And he also has this in case if any rocks fly at his face. All we need to do is just put this back. Get him set. Okay. Let's go a little higher. Alright guys, we're going high. 3, 2, 1. There it comes. Ooh. His glasses came off. CPR. Okay, he's fine. Now I have to put this on, so it'll be epic. And then I have to So, you seen it come off the table. You seen it crash into the wall. You seen it come down from the steps. You seen it come down from the counter. Now, going epic. We're going down the stairs. Comment down below if you think it's gonna go all the way down and crash. Alright guys, so time for the most epic car crash in the world. Comment down below, do you think if this car will survive? And if you think I will survive. So I'm just making sure this car will go straight. So it's gonna go back from there. So I come here. Ready? Okay. Alright. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Guys, he survived! But he passed out. He fell down about 1 billion Lego feet or something to him, but like for me, it's just like a few feet. Let's take a look from the car. So from the front, everything looks good. From the side, everything's fine. In the back, just a few of these. And the fire, there you go. It's a little disconnected, there you go. Sides are fine. The front is obviously fine. The inside is fine. Engine, no pieces off. Just put that back on. And me, no glasses coming off, no pieces broken. Everything is fine, just a few minor injuries. That was the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below where you want us to drop this car and my Lego self next. And also subscribe. Thank you. Bye.